Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what you could be doing with your instant noodles. Today I am doing another episode focusing on Nissin's new cup noodles breakfast variety. And yeah, this is egg, sausage, and pancake flavor. And I thought, I'm doing a bunch of different weird things with this stuff. And how can I skip out on breakfast? So we're going to do a breakfast burrito. Maybe a breakfast you would have if you were in prison. So let's do it up, make it so, make it happen, and here we go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. This is a prison ramen style burrito. I used Doritos, these new Fusion Flamin' Hot Cheetos. There's a fried egg. There's some maple syrup and a cup of the new Nissin breakfast cup noodles. Definitely a Franken thing, and yeah, I guess I have to give it a try, right? So let's do exactly that. Little egg. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna think about this. I'm a little afeared of the possible way this could go. I guess I should get a decent bite there. And yeah, there we are. All right, cheers. I don't know, all I'm tasting is the syrup. Let's try the end that doesn't have anything really on it. There we are. As you could expect, no redeeming qualities here. This is not something I recommend. This is a very strange thing, but hey, I've got a bunch of these cups, so I figured I'd try making some weird stuff. This definitely fits that bill. This has been Oz, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and maybe your prison ramen breakfast noodle burritos each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.